Hi, myself Unnikrishnan, the Business Development Manager for IBAT College, Dublin. So we do have two campuses in Dublin. The major campus is located in Temple Bar, one of the main tourist places of Dublin, so that it will be easy for the students to get their jobs over after the completion of program and the part-time jobs. And we do offer many courses related with marketing and business. And we also offer courses in the terms of certification program, bachelor's and master's. So the fees ranges are very minimal to our colleges, so that it will be easy for you to join us and be a part of IBAT. To know more about IBAT, you can contact Guidance Plus, one of the major partner from India. So please do contact IBAT and Guidance Plus to know more about IBAT. Thank you.